The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is a long-haul, wide-body, twin-engine jetliner, designed with lightweight structures that are 80% composite by volume. Boeing lists its materials by weight as 50% composite, 20% aluminum, 15% titanium, 10% steel, and 5% other materials. Aluminum has been used throughout the leading edges of wings and tailplanes. Titanium is predominantly present within the elements of the engines and fasteners, while various individual components are composed of steel. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner's landing gear system is a complex and highly reliable mechanism designed to support the aircraft's weight, absorb landing impacts, and provide a stable platform for takeoff, landing, and taxi operations. The system consists of several mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic components that work together to power and control the landing gear. Here's a detailed description of these systems. Mechanical systems. 1. Landing gear struts. The 787 Dreamliner has a total of 4 landing gear struts, with 2 under the wings, main landing gear, and 2 under the fuselage, nose landing gear. Each strut consists of an upper and lower cylinder with a hydraulic actuator connecting them. The struts are designed to absorb the shock of landing and to provide a smooth ride. 1. Trailing link. The main landing gear struts are equipped with a trailing link system, which helps to absorb the shock of landing and provides a stable platform for the aircraft. The trailing link is a mechanical linkage that connects the lower cylinder of the strut to the wing, allowing the strut to move upward and downward while maintaining a stable attachment point. 1. Wheel axes. The main landing gear struts are equipped with wheel axes that support the aircraft's wheels. The wheel axes are designed to rotate freely, allowing the wheels to spin during takeoff and landing. Number 1. Brake system. The 787 Dreamliner's brake system is designed to slow or stop the aircraft during landing or taxi operations. The brake system consists of a set of brake rotors and stators with a hydraulic actuator applying pressure to the brake pads. Electrical systems. 1. Landing Gear Control Unit, LGCU. The LGCU is an electronic control unit that manages the landing gear system's operation. The LGCU receives inputs from various sensors and switches and sends control signals to the hydraulic system to raise, lower, or lock the landing gear. 1. Proximity sensors. The 787 Dreamliner is equipped with proximity sensors that detect the position of the landing gear struts and wheels. These sensors provide feedback to the LGCU, ensuring that the landing gear is properly extended or retracted. 1. Landing Gear Indication System. The Landing Gear Indication System provides visual and audible warnings to the flight crew if the landing gear is not properly extended or retracted. The system consists of a set of lights and indicators on the flight deck, as well as an oral warning system. 1. Electronic Flight Bag, EFB System. The EFB system provides the flight crew with electronic access to aircraft performance data, checklists, and other critical information. The system also includes a landing gear monitoring function, which allows the crew to monitor the landing gear's status and receive alerts if any issues arise. Hydraulic systems. 1. Hydraulic power generation. The 787 Dreamliner has a hydraulic power generation system that provides pressurized hydraulic fluid to the landing gear system. The system consists of a set of hydraulic pumps driven by the aircraft's engines or an auxiliary power unit, APU. 1. Hydraulic actuators. The landing gear system uses hydraulic actuators to raise, lower, and lock the landing gear struts. The actuators are powered by the hydraulic power generation system and are controlled by the LGCU. 1. Hydraulic reservoirs. The 787 Dreamliner has a set of hydraulic reservoirs that store hydraulic fluid for the landing gear system. The reservoirs are pressurized and provide a buffer against fluctuations in hydraulic pressure. 1. Hydraulic pressure regulation. The hydraulic system includes a pressure regulation system which ensures that the correct pressure is applied to the hydraulic actuators. The system consists of a set of pressure regulators which adjust the pressure to the required levels. Landing gear extension and retraction. The landing gear extension and retraction process involves a series of complex mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic interactions. Here's a step-by-step overview of the process. 1. Landing gear extension. When the flight crew selects the down position on the landing gear lever, the LGCU sends a signal to the hydraulic system to extend the landing gear struts. The hydraulic actuators apply pressure to the struts, which then extend downward, carrying the wheels and brake system with them. 1. Landing gear locking. Once the landing gear struts are fully extended, the LGCU sends a signal to the hydraulic system to lock the struts in place. The hydraulic actuators apply pressure to a set of locking pins, which engage with the strut's upper and lower cylinders, securing the strut in place. 1. Landing gear retraction. When the flight crew selects the up position on the landing gear lever, the LGCU sends a signal to the hydraulic system to retract the landing gear struts. The hydraulic actuators apply pressure to the struts, which then retract upward, carrying the wheels and brake system with them. 1. Landing gear stowage. Once the landing gear struts are fully retracted, the LGCU sends a signal to the hydraulic system to stow the struts in their bay. The hydraulic actuators apply pressure to a set of stowage pins, which engage with the strut's upper and lower cylinders, securing the strut in place. Redundancy and backup systems. The 787 Dreamliner's landing gear system has multiple redundancy and backup systems to ensure safe and reliable operation. These include 1. Dual hydraulic systems. The aircraft has 2 independent hydraulic systems, each capable of powering the landing gear system. If one system fails, the other can take over, ensuring continued safe operation. 2. Backup power generation. The aircraft has a backup power generation system, which includes an APU and a set of batteries. These provide power to the hydraulic system and other critical systems in the event of a failure. 3. Manual extension system. The aircraft has a manual extension system, which allows the flight crew to extend the landing gear struts using a hand crank or other mechanism. This system is used in the event of a hydraulic system failure or other emergency. In summary, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner's landing gear system is a complex and highly reliable mechanism that relies on a combination of mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic components to power and control the landing gear. The system includes multiple redundancy and backup systems to ensure safe and reliable operation, even in the event of a failure. The hydraulic system is absolutely critical to an airplane's landing gear, serving as the primary power source for safe, reliable extension and retraction. It provides the necessary force to operate gear linkages, manage heavy loads during touchdown, and ensure steering and braking control, directly impacting flight safety and operational efficiency. The key aspects of the hydraulic system for landing gear include reliable operation. Hydraulics allow the landing gear to deploy and retract efficiently with a very low risk of failure when maintained. Essential functionality. Beyond simple movement, the system enables landing gear to tuck into the fuselage for aerodynamics and deploy for touchdown. Ground control. It powers nose-wheel steering, allowing for precise taxiing and control on the ground. Safety backup. In emergencies, accumulators and redundant systems can provide pressure for landing gear extension if the main pump fails. Without a functioning hydraulic system, the landing gear may not deploy properly, necessitating emergency gravity drop procedures and significantly complicating landing.